Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing 24/7. In this video, we will be learning how to change hair color in Picsart. Picsart offers a convenient way to experiment with different hair colors, and here's a simple guide. First of all, open up the Picsart application to get started. Once you're inside the main homepage of Picsart application, click on the plus button where it says See All at the top left-hand corner. Now it'll take you to your device's camera roll from where you can select an image or a picture where you want to change your hair color. Select the picture from your camera roll, and then after you do that, from the picture editing page, go ahead and tap on the retouch option at the bottom of the screen. After you select retouch, scroll through the menu and click on hair color. You will then immediately notice that you have successfully changed your hair color. Go to the manual tab and brush around your hair so that you can color it with a different color. From the auto option, you will be able to automatically pick color for your hair. Now you can further customize your hair color by increasing or decreasing the amount slider. Similarly, you can also increase or decrease the saturation for the chosen color for your image. After you have found the desired hair color from the available option, you can now apply the change by clicking on the apply button at the top right corner. After applying the retouch effect, you will notice that you have successfully changed your hair color on the image. Now you can click on the next button at the top right and export your project, or simply download it onto your camera roll. So that is how you can easily change hair color using Picsart application in just a couple of steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.